What I go on viewers and subscribers is a thing I take for granted from the other day, and I've been cooking and me I realize you're doing a regular cooking but the regular people don't do this type of cooking. And this morning I gonna cook some cornmeal porridge and realize me use a special ingredient, coconut milk. Me use coconut milk like every day. I'm say wait. But people only see coconut milk either in the box already processed or inside of the package where them have the powder thing. And I say that kinda strange that we have the natural thing so much around us, but we don't use it. And for me have the coconut from off of the tree, and me use a machete and chop my coconut and check my coconut and know what kind of coconut me gonna get. So I have no other choice than to show you how to retrieve the coconut nut from the dry coconut shell. This is very hard and that's water inside of it, and the water is actually one of the sweetest water. It's actually, I call it sky water with the right amount of sugar. So in less than 2 minutes I'm gonna chop a coconut and show you how I extract the nut from this tough shell. Yeah, anyways, you're gonna need two things. You're gonna need the coconut for sure, and you're gonna need a machete. And I am going to show you my coconut stash. For your info, I normally get a lot of coconut myself and have them dried, because then that's how you get to watch them and you get to know what is well dry, what is soft, what is kind of sweet, what is kind of fleshy, different characteristics of the coconut in the process of drying. So I'm going to choose a dry one that gonna give me like a milky taste, like a sweet milky taste. So I'm going to try to find that coconut and chop it, show you. Alright, so in the process you're gonna need a sharp machete. I'm going to show you how to chop it two ways, either down the line or by the side. You have two ways to chop the coconut, So yeah, so this is my little coconut entourage right here. You can see the different stages. These look like they just come. These look like they're here 2 to 3 weeks. That one is sort of dry, and then you have the lower one. It depends on the type of milk, the flavor milk you want. It will be different depending on the age of your coconut. So guys, I can't find my tripod, so I just rest this on another coconut that I used before, and I'm going to record this. But guess what? I want to sharpen the machete for you guys because I want to do this under 2 minutes. If you don't have a sharp machete, it's going to take you more than 2 minutes to chop the coconut. So I'm going to sharpen my machete with what I call, this is the file. I don't know what was that, but yeah, I have a file right here. I don't know if you can see it. Anyways, we go sharpen my machete. Bam. Anyways, we are ready. Mash it, coconut, and see, you chop. You chop in a radial form. When you chop, you kind of ease it off. Down, it's really brute force and a bit of skill. So, chop, 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 chop. See, and apparently I was chopping too hard, and I chopped through the shell, and you can see the coconut. Yeah, mash it sharp, radial, 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 radial. Two minutes gone. I remember I was telling you about cutting the coconut. I'm not getting any focus, I don't know, right? But let me give you the information so you can chop the middle, like chop it and do the same like push thing. So when I chop and push like that, I can get the centerpiece off easy. So chop and ease, chop, ease. See? And you just pull. Ease. Chop, chop. Pull. And here we have our coconut, and as you can see, this coconut. So here we have our coconut, and to me it seems as if this coconut was in the process of springing branches, yeah, or a stem rather, but this coconut should be like milky. You see it? And this is it. This is our coconut outside of the husk, and this is the shell that protects this beautiful nut. And I am going to make my coconut milk for my porridge. Okay, so yeah, this is it. Yeah, so even though coconut never take me 2 minutes for chop, because me never want chop up a finger, the coconut is right here. And it is now time to husk it and make coconut milk. I'm not going to show you to make coconut milk. I think I have a video already. I'll find a link and post it in the link below or the section below so you can find where I make coconut milk. But yeah, so viewers and subscribers, that's how basically I took this from the original state, and I'm going to make coconut milk right now. I have to make porridge for the family, so I can't hang around anymore. If you want to see me make coconut milk, you just comment down there and let me know. Thank you for viewing. Alright.